Devils County Code Law number 2 is not in session. This is cause number M322936, case of style of state of Texas versus Cameron Austin Hernandez. Mr. Hernandez, is that your full name?
Yes.
How you doing, Mr. Hernandez? I'm doing fine. Mr. Hernandez, you're represented in your case by your attorney John Macy. Attorney Macy is appearing via Zoom. Attorney Macy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Thanks for asking.
That's good. Now, Mr. Macy, the state is represented in this case by Attorney Raymond Shearer. Attorney Ray Shearer, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor.
Mr. Macy, Mr. Hernandez case is on the announcement docket. What is your announcement in Mr. Hernandez case?
Your Honor, my understanding is he's got a pending felony. So I'd ask that the court reset this until after that his felony case is resolved.
Okay, you have a felony
or reset it along with the felony. I couldn't find it, so I don't know when it's set.
Okay. Do you know when your court date is?
No, sir.
And I looked it up yesterday, it still shows 6/20.
Yes, I was here.
I might be able to find it.
Yes, sir. I was here yesterday. I don't know if we had.
Oh, so you was here yesterday?
Yes, sir. I don't know if we had a miscommunication or what, but from my understanding, I thought that it was being all reset.
Set at the same time?
Yeah, today.
If your attorney don't call. us,
But I
let us
haven't,
know.
yeah, I have not been able to get in contact with my Mr. West. I've been trying to call him all morning.
Wes?
Yeah, they gave me two different lawyers.
Oh, no, that's probably your felony
Yes,
attorney,
yes,
Mr.
like I
West.
said, like I said, for the reset, I'm trying to figure out right now.
Is it on the system?
Well, I'll check it again, but. yeah,
She's
yeah.
gonna check. So, whenever your case is reset to.
Yeah.
We're gonna set this misdemeanor case on the same date.
Okay,
And so on that date, you need to come here like you did today, check in,
yes, sir.
and then go take care of the matter in the felony court. And when you finish there, you're gonna come back here
Yes, sir.
and let us
So-
know. Yeah, oh, what's this here? Oh, that's today's date. Okay. 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 So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna reset your case. Your case is gonna be on the same date of your felony case. Mr. Macy will be sent notice that you reset.
Yes, sir.
Now you need to stay in contact with Mr. Macy and Mr. West. You have two different
Yes,
lawyers.
sir. Yes, sir. I think I have Mr. Macy's phone number.
Okay, okay. So, they haven't put in that date yet? Okay,
No, apparently not, because I'm looking at his felony
I
case.
checked it late yesterday and it still shows 6/20.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. And I don't see
I was
anything.
about to go right after. I didn't know my name was gonna be called up first, but I was going right over there.
you sat over there today?
I was waiting over there, to talk to them to figure out whenever my reset was.
Oh,
Well, that'd be good if you can go. over
Yeah,
there.
Okay.
what I was trying to do was go over there.
okay.
I didn't know that I was gonna be called first.
Now, if they give you a date, just come back over here and let us know.
That's what she told me, that I would, I guess, get in contact with y'all and let them know.
Okay.
The date. Yes, sir.
All right, so you're free to go.
Yes,
All
sir.
right,
Thank you.
all right, you have a blessed day.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, you may be excused, Mr. Macy.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you're welcome.
I've got two on that. Jeremy Jones and Shakita Hill.
Oh, that door is open. Was that must have been open since yesterday, huh? Parker. So, okay, so you have to, we have Hill and Jones. You want to go get, Shaquita Hill and Jeremy Jones?
There we go.
I thought he, yeah. Look at this.
One first, Judge.
Yeah, Jeremy Jones, keep coming.
Jeremy Jones.
This is cause number M333756. Case is style of state of Texas versus Jeremy Dale Jones. Mr. Jones, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Jones?
Okay.
That's good. Mr. Jones, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Alan Parker. Attorney Parker, how are you doing?
Good, Judge. Thank you.
Mr. Parker, what is your announcement in Mr. Jones' case?
We need a little more time, Judge. I'm in discussion with the prosecutor about a resolution, and also we need some discovery. We're
Okay,
talking about pre-trial, we're talking about, the anger management program possibly.
okay. Give us a reset date.
August 30th.
Okay, Mr. Jones, this case is gonna be reset to August 30th
Yes.
of 2023. Your attorney is gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day,
Yes, sir.
okay? Just have a seat.
Until,
Next case is Shaquita Victoria Hill. Has two cases, cause numbers M326078 and cause number M328300. Ms. Hill, do we have bond conditions in that first case, the one that the DWI second? And Ms. Hill, how are you doing? That's good. Ms. Hill, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Alan Parker. Attorney Parker, what is your announcements in Ms. Hill's cases?
Your Honor, we need, we haven't received any of the videos and all that, the DWI, we're waiting on that information. We've requested, we haven't received it yet. We need time.
Okay. Did you see the bond conditions in the first one?
I don't see any.
Okay, give me that folder. She's a DWI second.
Condition, Judge, yeah.
No. I don't yet.
No, we did have second. They have bond conditions. No, he conditions. Okay.
Make it. She can go ahead and make it. There you go. One copy.
They asked them that they have. Yeah.
I want to just see this cookie coffee David all the time. Which is that?
Yeah, but you know, you did, but like.
Yeah, thank you. Here you go. Now, Ms. Hill, your attorney is handing you a document that is titled Standard Bond Conditions from County Court at Law Number 2. I will go over these conditions with you. And it reads as follows. Following arrest and or accusation in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Number one, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number two, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs or alcohol in the defendant's body, and that's pursuant to the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 1744.A2 and C2. Do you understand that condition? And condition number three, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
And condition number three, the defendant who has been arrested or accused of any subsequent offense listed under 49.04 through 4906 of the Texas Penal Code, that's the DWI statute, when a person has a DWI second or more, shall not operate any motor vehicle unless the vehicle is equipped with an interlock device mechanism that makes impractical the operation of the vehicle if ethyl alcohol is detected in the breath of the operator, and said device shall be installed at the defendant's expense with written verification of such installation being submitted to the court on or before the 10th day after today. Do you understand that condition? And when you get the intoxilizer, you're probably gonna give a copy.
But if she's not driving, she doesn't have to have it.
No, it says any vehicle that you own or operate. Okay, so before you can drive any vehicle, it has to have that on it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked. And if your bond is revoked, the warrant will be issued for your arrest. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Your attorney is going to get your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
You all right, Rich?
Yes.
I just have one announcement that's ready to announce. I hope I can make it.
Okay. Let's, where's your client?
Time for Dito.
Yeah. Okay. You have another one too.
Well, I have more, but
Okay.
I'm gonna need to go to the CDC and she
Okay.
was in here already.
Okay, this is cause number M327431. Case is South State of Texas versus Shanta Dito. Ms. Dito, is that your full name?
Yes.
Ms. Dito, how are you doing? That's good. Ms. Dito, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore, how are you doing?
Great, Judge. How are you today?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Galmore, what is your announcement in Ms. Dito's case?
Your Honor, we'd like to apply for the pre-trial diversion program after review and discovery. So if we could have an announcement date after the next signing.
Okay, let me see. The next signing is August. So we're gonna reset it in October. Give you a chance to get the application and get a response from them.
Okay.
October, second week in October. Now, Ms. Dito, your case is gonna be reset. Your attorney is gonna get a copy of your reset. Once you get a copy of your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. It's October the 16th?
16.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
okay,
you.
all right.
Need to go.
Yeah, I'll just.
I'll fax it over to you. If he wants to wait, I can get it for you.
I'll get it to her.
Okay, sounds good.
Who we have, let's see. This is cause number M333708. Case is filed the state of Texas versus James A. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Lewis?
No, wonderful, sir.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Lewis, you're representing your case by your attorney, Donald Boudreaux. Attorney Boudreaux, how are you doing?
Yes, fine, sir.
That's good. Now, Mr. Boudreaux, what is your announcement in Mr. Lewis's case?
Your Honor, I'm not sure, it may have to be a criminal because we don't believe that he did anything improper.
Okay, so you're announcing trial?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'll talk to the DA a minute and see if there's anything, but
So you want to talk to the DA first? You want me to hold on it?
just for a minute.
Okay, I'll do that. Court is in session in two cases. Cause number M331730.
Your Honor, excuse me, maybe hold on one
You
second.
want me to hold on?
I think I'm gonna look to see if anything is last 720.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Court is in session and cause numbers M331730 and cause number M331956. Both cases are titled The State of Texas versus Torrey Vincent Stone King. Mr. Stone King is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Stone King, you can take your mic off of mute. How are you doing, King?
Doing well.
That's good. Mr. Stone King, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Tom Kelly. Attorney Kelly, how are you doing?
Great, Judge. How are you this morning?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Kelly, what is your announcement in Mr. Stone King's cases?
Judge, we'd like trial in this case.
Okay, give us reset date.
August 28th.
Okay, these cases will be reset for trial on August 28th of 2023. Mr. Stone King, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset dates. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman.
Yes, sir.
Your case is reset till August 28, 2023 for trial. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Mr. Kelly, you can get your reset and you'll be free to go and you have a blessed
Thank
day.
you.
And Mr. Boudreaux, on your announcement on James Lewis, Mr. Lewis, would you come forward? Court is back in session in cause number M333708. Case is South State of Texas versus James Lewis. Now, Mr. Boudreaux, earlier we held on your announcement. What is your announcement?
Your Honor, perhaps we probably better just go ahead and set it for trial.
Okay. Give us a trial date. Okay, this case will be reset for trial on August 28th of 2023. Mr. Lewis, your attorney will be given a copy of your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. All right, you're welcome. Just have us stand over there and get your reset. And you'll be free to go as well. What'd you say?
This is the only one I've got this.
Okay,
morning.
you'll be free to go as well, Mr. Boudreaux, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's see, we called the name, okay. Okay, the person that's on Zoom that just has Zoom user, would you take your mic off of mute and state your name? The person that has Zoom user. Person that's on Zoom that has the name Zoom user, please state your name.
Austin Bussinger.
Austin what?
Bussinger. Buss. Yes, sir. I'll correct it right now.
Okay,
I thought I corrected it before this, but I apologize.
okay, yeah, there it is. All right, you can put your mic on mute. Your attorney is not here yet, and once your attorney arrives, we'll call your case up. And Ms. Alfaro, your attorney is not here, hasn't arrived yet. Your attorney is probably in another court. When the attorney arrives, we're gonna call your case.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, put your mic on me. Thank you. print the order off. I'll look at the motion and the,
Okay.
Miss Mayfield. This is cause number M333036, case is filed in the state of Texas versus Crystal Mayfield. Miss Mayfield, is that your full name? How you doing, Miss Mayfield? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Miss Mayfield, your attorney of record, Attorney Kyle Walker, is no longer in private practice. He filed a motion to withdraw because he is he's taking a job at a district attorney's office in another county. And so therefore, the court is going to grant this motion that he had previously filed to withdraw. And he was appointed, so the court is going to reappoint another attorney to represent you. And the attorney, Benjamin Jeffries, the attorney that will be appointed to represent you is Attorney Benjamin Jeffries. Our court coordinator is going to give you information to contact Mr. Jeffries. And Mr. Jeffries will be given information to contact you. Once you get that information from our court coordinator, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Please stand in front of the court coordinator. Yes, sir.